Hi everyone, welcome back. In this quick video I want to show you how to convert a PDF file into PPT. So here let us first prepare the PDF file that we want to convert into PPT. So here I have this PDF file over here and I want to convert this PDF file into PPT, and you can follow the same steps. Alright, so let me close this file. So if you try to convert this PDF file directly into PPT by using PowerPoint presentation, then you will get an error. For example, just open the PPT over here, and here let us drag and drop the PDF file. So here I am going to drag and drop the PDF file, and here you can see we got the pop-up. It says PowerPoint can't open this type of file because the PPT does not support directly to convert PDF into PPT. Okay, so then what is the solution? Well, we can use the online tool to easily convert a PDF into PPT. So let me show you how you can do that. Go to the Chrome browser. In a new tab, just type convert PDF to PPT, hit enter, and go ahead and click on this link, iLovePDF. So this won't ask for sign in, so just go ahead and click on it. If you choose adobe.com, it will ask for the sign in. Okay, so just choose iLovePDF website over here. So this is the free online tool that we can use to convert PDF to PPT. So here we can select the PDF file from the device, or you can also drag and drop the PDF file. So here I am going to drag and drop the PDF file, and here you can see the option convert to PPTX. So just go ahead and click on it, and notice here the PPT is successfully downloaded over here. Next, just click on this PPT file, and there we go. We have successfully converted a PDF file into PPT. You can see the slides over here. Next, in order to edit this PPT slides, you can go ahead and click on this enable editing button over here. That's it. Next, you are good to edit the PPT slides. So this is how you can quickly convert your PDF file into PPT by using free online tool. Alright, great. I will see you in the next video.